Joe, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami transforming ninja star. So these are really cool, and they're like a little magic. They're like magic. So in order to make this, you need 8 sheets of paper. I'm using small ones just to conserve paper because I don't have much left. So you get it. In order to make the little pieces, you need 8 of them. So in order to make them, you need to fold it in half. Like that. Unfold. And then make an airplane fold. Just like this. Like that. Do it on both sides. Like that. Fold it in half. And fold this up. Like that. So as you can see, I folded it like that. And I folded it up. So then you unfold it. And unfold it like that. And then make a reverse fold. Which is by folding on that crease. Squashing it. And folding it on that crease like that. So what you end up with is one closed end and 2 flaps like that. And for the sake of this video, I went ahead and made 8 of these pieces because that's how many you need. So in order to interlock them, you need to get 2 pieces, one with the flaps up with the straight side facing towards the right, and one with the closed part up facing with the flat part facing to the right, to the left. So first thing you need to do is get it and put it in, flip it around so these are facing that way. Put it right here, open these up and get these little flaps and fold them in like that. So as you can see, that's how you do it. Do the same thing with all of them. And yeah, so I'm just gonna make all of them. There we go. And you're supposed to make them going clockwise around like that. So, sorry guys. Like that. Same thing with this one. Now it gets a bit tricky once you reach the last one. I'm going to teach you how to do that one. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so I'm at the last one, and you need to put that one in there. So get this one, get it out of the way, do the same thing with that we just did with all of them. And then get this, move it like that, and then put it in the middle. And you see how there's a little blade right there? You need to get this, make it bigger. Get it and fold it in like that. Same thing with the other side. And there you go. That's the transforming ninja star. In order to make it transform, you need to make a shake because once you first make it, it won't turn out very good. But with a little bit of moving it around, it'll work eventually. Like that. That, and like that. So there you go, that's a transforming ninja star. Just do that, and that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.